All right, this is example 2 of lesson 2.6. Dividing decimals by decimals, no tway, no fertilizer, just divide. We're dividing 67.2 by 0.56, or 67 2/10 divided by 56 hundredths. Okay, again, normal division, we're just going to set it up as we would normally. The first number goes in the box, 67.2, and the other number goes outside the box, 0.56. I'm going to give myself a longer division bar there. I keep running out of room. Okay, so first step. I have a decimal outside my division box. I don't want to have a decimal out here. So what am I going to do to that decimal? I'm going to move it to the right. Okay, I'm going to move it to the right. How many times do I need to move it to the right to get rid of it? Well, 1, 2. I move it 2 places to the right. Now it's over there and I can forget about it. Multiplying that by 10 and then by 10 again if you're interested. Now, what I do to the outside of the box, I gotta do to the inside of the box as well. What I do to the top, I gotta do to the bottom. What I do to the outside, I gotta do to the inside. So, I can move my decimal 1 time here. But now what? I have to move it twice. I have to do exactly the same out here as I do in here. I have to do exactly the same in here as I do out there. I need to move it again, so what am I going to do? Yeah, there's a 0 there. I can move it to the other side of the 0. 0, pop. Now, I don't have 0.56 and 67.2. I have, I'm going to rewrite it because all those blue squigglies are annoying to me. 6,720 divided by 56. And yeah, there's a decimal after it, but... And I can do this math. 56 goes into 67 1 time. Multiply 56 times 1 and I get 56. And that's because 56 doesn't go into 6. Subtract that. That's 4 plus 7 is 11. I suppose I could just go 1 and 1. That works too. And bring down my 2. 56 into 112. My goodness. That's division. Again, back up to the top of my process. 56 into 112. Well, 50 goes into 100 twice. 60 times 2 is 12. So, sorry, 6 times 2 is 12, not 60. 56 goes into 112 2 times. 2 times 56 is 112. Subtract. Bring down my 0. Because I have to keep bringing down until I run out of digits. Even if I've got a 0, I have to keep bringing down until I run out of digits. Because I could have a number down here to bring down even if it's 0 here. 56 goes into 0. Well, it doesn't go into 0, so 0 times, I suppose that should be my third color now, huh? 0 times 56 is 0. I'll subtract, get 0. And now I can stop because I have nothing else to bring down and I don't need to bring down anything else. So, I can pop up my decimal at the end. Where does it pop to? Oh, at the end. Cool. So, right there at the end. Dum, bum, bum, bum. 6,720 divided by 56 is 120. What this means is that 67.2 divided by 0.56 is 120. Now, what does that mean, really? Okay, it means that if I had 67.2 of something, say I had 67.2 pounds of flour, and I needed 0.56 or just over half a pound of flour for a cake of some sort. That's a lot of flour. So if I have 67.2 pounds of flour and I'm dividing it into groups of 0.56, I could get 120 groups. Okay? Divide this decimal into groups of this one. That's why this is bigger. That's why my quotient is bigger than both my divisor and my dividend. It's bigger than both because that's how many chunks that are this big I can take out of this division.